Namaskara ellargu, welcome back to my channel. So we were solving chemical kinetics chapter, problems related to chemical kinetics chapter. So here is the third problem. For a chemical reaction 4A plus 3B gives 6C plus 9D. The rate of formation of C is 6 into 10 raised to minus 2 mole per liter seconds, and rate of disappearance of A is 4 into 10 raised to minus 2 mole per liter second. The rate of the reaction and the amount of B consumed in interval of 10 seconds is what? So they have given 4 options over here. So how do we do this question? So let's start with writing the rate reaction for the given chemical reaction. 4A plus 3B gives 6C plus 9D. So for this, the rate of the reaction can be written as minus 1 by 4 dA by dt which is equal to minus 1 by 3 dB by dt which is equal to 1 by 6 C dC by dt, and which is equal to 1 by 9 dd by dt. We don't need every term. They have given according to the data which they have given for us the formation of C and disappearance of A. So we can take either of it. Let me take the formation of C, that is rate is equal to 1 by 6 times dC by dt. You can take even disappearance of A. So the rate at which dC by dt is happening, the rate at which formation of dC of C is happening is 6 into 10 raised to minus 2. Substituting it over here, we get rate of the reaction is 1 by 6 times 6 into 10 raised to minus 2, which gives us rate is equal to 1 into 10 raised to minus 2 mole per liter second. So we have got the first part. For the second part, again we go back to the rate equation which we have written over here. In this, let's equate rate with the change in the concentration of B. So if we equate rate is equal to minus 1 by 3 dB by dt, where the rate is 1 into 10 raised to minus 2, rate is 1 into 10 raised to minus 2, which is equal to minus 1 by 3, that is disappearance of B, dB by dt, and we get dB divided by dt, which is equal to 3 into minus 2. Since it is disappearance, we can include minus sign, or we include minus sign over there, so the unit of which is mole per liter second. Rate at which B is getting consumed is this, the speed at which it is getting consumed is this value. So how much of how the concentration of D, the change in concentration of B after 10 seconds, we can write in general rate is equal to magnitude of change, in this case the concentration, divided by time. So we want to find out the magnitude of change, that is the concentration. What is the change in concentration? So we shift time towards rate. So here time is 10 seconds, here time is 10 seconds. So So we get dB is equal to rate, that is dB by dt multiplied by 10 seconds, which will give us the change in the concentration of B is equal to minus 3 into 10 raised to minus 2 mole per liter seconds into 10 seconds. This gives us the answer 30 into 10 raised to minus 2 mole per liter, which is the concentration. So this is the concentration of dB after 10 seconds. This is the amount which has been consumed. After 10 seconds, and the rate is 1 into 10 raised to minus 2 mole per liter seconds. So looking at the option, we have the rate, which is 1 into 10 raised to minus 2, and the concentration is 30 into 10 raised to minus 2 mole per seconds. So option B is correct. So if you have any doubt in regarding to this particular problem, please leave a comment. I will be happy to explain in little more detail. If you have got any confusion related to it, leave a comment. I hope you have understood it. Let's meet in our next class. Thank you.